Indian Railways, accelerating the progress of the country, becoming a partner in development and weaving the India of Amrit Kaal.
अब भारत वंदे कई राज्यों में चलेगी। जी हाँ दोस्तों, बताया जा रहा है कि हमारे श्रीमान प्रधानमंत्री के द्वारा यह कार्य किया जाएगा,
Entering a new era with state-of-the-art and rapid changes, Indian Railways is making New India a reality. And in building this new India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave priority to the development of Telangana.
हम सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्रयास के मंत्र पर चलते हुए तेलंगाना को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं।
Drawing inspiration from the determination of the Prime Minister, the Indian Railways started creating new records of development in Telangana at an unprecedented pace. After so many years of independence, Indian Railways connectivity has reached the untouched regions. In the last 8 years, 314 kilometers of new rail lines have been laid. In the last decade, 232 kilometers long busy railway routes were expanded, and about 900 kilometers of railway lines were electrified.
वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस इस बात का प्रतीक है कि भारत अब रुक चलने वाले दिनों को पीछे छोड़ चुका है। भारत अब तेज दौड़ना चाहता है और इसके लिए हर संभव प्रयास कर रहा है।
After making rail travel comfortable and modern in 12 states of the country, Vande Bharat Express is coming to Telangana and Andhra Pradesh on the auspicious occasion of Sankranti. This Make in India train is starting between Secunderabad and Visakhapatnam. Equipped with state-of-the-art and world-class facilities, this train will not only reflect economic, social and cultural harmony, but also the solidarity of hearts. This high-speed train will cover a distance of 700 kilometers, reducing the travel time from an average of 12 hours to 8.5 hours, spreading its wings to the endless possibilities of better development in the country. Indian Railways is committed to the creation of Atmanirbhar Bharat.